Dear Stasia the Wolf, I'm sorry for the misunderstanding, but I think if you resolved it, you should probably just delete all those videos so no one else will get a misunderstanding. But I'm gonna be nice and try to help you if Cookie is still bothering you, so send me the their name on one of my videos. If you watch this, when you're watching this one, um, put put it down in the comments on this video, and I'll try to help you out. I really like your fursuit, and you seem pretty nice. So yeah.